Hello, we are Novel Products, a 20-year-old design and build contracting company which specialize in architectural roofs ranging from tensile membranes to polycarbonates to metals and find applications in residential, commercial and institutional buildings. Our awnings and canopies find applications in hotels, mall, resorts and restaurants. We have got a strong presence in North Karnataka and Western Maharashtra region. As a logical extension of our existing roofing business, we decided to venture into space frames and geodesic domes. With extensive research and development of more than a year during pandemic period, we have been able to successfully design and fabricate our very first geodesic dome with the help of modern engineering softwares, 3D printing techniques and prototyping. Now let us visit the very first geodesic dome designed and fabricated in-house and enjoy its beauty. So welcome friends, we are inside the geodesic dome. As you can see, this geodesic dome is nothing but a column-free spherical surface where the surface of the sphere is divided into triangular shapes which are adjoining to each other. So this particular geodesic dome comes in compression, as a result of which it becomes extremely strong. This process of designing is called tessellation, that controls two major factors: the diameter of the dome and the height of the dome. Now as you can see, this particular geodesic dome, which falls under the category of lattice shell, it becomes extremely strong for very high wind speeds, hurricanes and storms. This geodesic dome, as you can see, is partly covered by polycarbonate sheets at the bottom and partly by tensile membrane fabric at the top, where the polycarbonate sheets allow light to come in and the tensile fabric offers shadow to the occupants. Now with this technology being acquired by us, Novel Products is now capable of undertaking customized solutions for client needs to suit their interiors and their sizes. Now let us have a look at a 3D printed prototype developed by us for a particular project, for a particular scale. This is the 3D printed geodesic dome mock which we had fabricated during lockdown period for a particular project with advanced computer softwares and digital modeling tools. Now Novel Product can venture into complex space frames and geodesic domes and customize client needs with different materials available in the market. Due to this unique column-free space, geodesic domes find applications in planetariums, auditoriums, exhibition malls, convention centers, game zones, and now are being popularly used at resort at hill stations. Now as you can see, we have provided 4 triangular windows to allow natural wind to come in and enjoy the nature. As these windows, as you can see, can be opened in this way and locked as needed and are provided with mesh fabrics which can be rolled up and down to control mosquitoes. This geodesic dome displays photographs of 2 great scientists who are inventors of this geodesic dome. Mr. Walter Borsfeld invented and fabricated the very first geodesic dome, and he mastered the technology of tessellation immediately after the Second World War, way back in 1945 in Germany, and patented it. 10 years later in United States, Mr. Buckminster Fuller, who popularized the use of geodesic dome and patented it in United States. Novel Products pays tribute to these 2 great personalities by dedicating this geodesic dome. I welcome practicing architects, interior designers, building lovers, students of architecture, structural consultants to visit this geodesic dome and enjoy its beauty. As a part of education, you also have got the opportunity to study the joints, the material, the pipes and the entire geometry as such by visiting this geodesic dome. We are all super excited to welcome you in this geodesic dome. Thank you so much. This is Suhas Kunte signing off.